If your stair lift's not working well, I'll show you how to maintain the track. Here on the track you can see old dirty grease on there. We need to get that off. Here's that dirty grease. We'll need a little diesel fuel or kerosene. Put a rag down here and scrub the track. Start at the top. You can see it's really built up on there. Clean the entire track. Let the kerosene just soak in. We've got the entire track except the bottom. When we get all the way to the bottom, we'll have to move the chair up and clean the rack underneath it. Scrub everything underneath. We'll run the chair up and down just to get everything clean. Use Scotch-Brite to get off all this real stubborn stuff. Very dirty stuff. I want to make sure you get where the wheels also run on the side. And scrub everything off and see how clean we are. It's a lot cleaner. We'll scrub it down again. See, we're still getting a lot of debris out of there. I'll keep running up and down the track and just let it soak in there for about 20 minutes. Track's kind of sharp. I put the cotton gloves over top of the rubber gloves. Everything's nice and clean now. We'll scrub it down with some rubbing alcohol. Spray it down with rubbing alcohol, then we'll grease it up with silicone grease. We'll put on some clear silicone grease, place it into the teeth. Work on the grease. Put the chair back and forth. The track is cleaned and maintained.